Hi, I'm Heather Bertinetti for ehow.com. I want to make some peanut brittle. The reason why I love peanut brittle so much is if you're in a pinch and you need a great hostess gift, peanut brittle is it. It keeps for days and it's super easy to make. So let's get to it. I have 4 cups of granulated sugar. Now notice I'm going to use a tall pot here on my stove, only because you'll see at the end it'll bubble up, so you want to make sure that you have enough leeway so it doesn't bubble over onto your stove and make a disgusting mess. So I'm going to turn my heat on high. 2 cups of corn syrup. Get that all in there. You can hear it start to bubble. Now with a rubber spatula, this is going to get very hot. We're going to just make sure this is all mixed together. Basically, we're just cooking the corn syrup and the sugar together. So to my peanut brittle, I like to add a vanilla bean. I just like the flavor it gives, plus it has a nice little speckled look to it. So I'm going to split it lengthwise, pull them apart, take the back of my knife. I'm going to scrape all the seeds out. Just like so. We're going to add that into our pot. So now we're going to let this cook until light caramel. So in terms of caramels, when I say that I'm making a light caramel, what I really mean is that we're cooking the sugar to the point where it's almost burnt, and it's going to have a light amber hue, okay? It's basically burnt sugar is what a caramel is. So now that I've reached a light caramel stage, I'm going to add my peanuts. These are just blanched raw peanuts. Give these a stir. We're just going to cook it one step further just to get a little deeper color. Perfect color. Okay, now at this point, I'm going to add my butter. Just a little bit. Now watch out, this is going to bubble up because it's so hot. So stand back. Great. I'm going to add my baking soda. Stir that in. See how it almost looks like foam? And a little drop of vanilla extract. As we continuously stir, I'm going to remove this from the heat and pour it out on our greased baking sheet. And just let it subside. Now watch out, it's going to bubble up, but it will subside. It's extremely hot, so don't touch the sides of the pan with your hands. And let it sit out at room temperature until it sets. I'm Heather Bertinetti. Catch me next time on ehow.com.